How to add reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you step by step how to add or display reviews from Amazon to your Shopify store. We're gonna use widgets from elfsite.com so you can sign up for an account. After you sign up, you can click explore widgets here, and then you will find a lot of widgets here. You can click reviews here in the left sidebar, and then you will find reviews from Amazon. You can click on it. As you can see, you can create widget for free. You can click on it, and then you can choose the style or the template. You can choose whatever template you want. So let's say I want to add this template. I think this is good. So you can just click continue. Now you can set it up. You can connect your Amazon, and then you can customize the style, the layout. It's up to you. So yeah, after you set it up, you can just click add, and then this is the preview. So if you think it's good, you can just click publish here, and then you can pick a plan. I'm gonna choose the free one. After that, you will get the code. So you can just copy the code here, and then you can go to your Shopify admin dashboard, and then you can navigate to the online store here. And then in the online store page, you can go to edit theme here. And now you will be in the website editor. So let's say I want to add the Amazon reviews in this area. So I'm gonna click add section here in the template tab, and then you can search custom, and then click custom liquid, and now you can paste the code here. So you can just click, uh, you can just paste the code and wait for a few seconds until it appears in your website editor. And it's done. It will be like this, it's perfect. So I think that's it. If you found this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.